Hello students, welcome to Happy Faces. My name is Shrikant and in this video I will going to teach you how to create your own personal website or your personal blog. Yes, you can create your personal website or personal blog in a very easiest method. So watch this full video, and in this video I will teach you how to create your Gmail account, what is domain name, how to buy domain name, and how to create your personal blog. This is the most important topic, that how to create your personal blog. So let's start. Let's start from the definition of blog. What is blog? Regularly updated website or web page, typically one run by the individual or small group that is written in the informal or conventional style. This is called as a blog. This is the textbook definition of blog. In short, we can say the blog is the website that we can continuously update. Let's see the example of blog. This is the autotechblogs.com. This whole website is called as the blog. Actually, website and blog is the similar word. This whole website is called as blog. In this website, the admin of the website can share the various posts. He can share the various article, reviews, news, etc. He can share anything on this website, and any client who know the domain name of this website, he just simply type the domain name and visit to this blog and read all articles. So in this video we are going to learn how to create this blog. This is very easy and simple method. But first of all, we discuss about the domain name, because this is important to know what is domain name before creating any website. In this blog, observe here, https www.autotechblogs.com. This is the domain name. So we discuss domain name in details. So this is the format of domain name. Actually, domain name is the name of the blog or name of the website. But https and www, we can't change this protocol and subdomain. After that, the domain name and extension that we can change. There are a lot of extension, that is .com, .in, .uk, .us, .org, .edu.in, .gov.in. There are a lot of extension are available. And the domain name in this website, the Autotech Blogs is the domain name. For creating the blog, there are a lot of platforms available on the internet. Blogger, WordPress, blog.com, weebly.com, and there are so many platforms. In that platform you can create your personal blog. But blogger.com and wordpress.org, these are the most famous platform. In that we can create the free blog and secured and easiest way. My personal opinion is that blogger.com is most easier, simple, free and secure platform to create your own blog. So in this video we will going to learn create the personal blog with the help of Blogger. Blogger is the free platform, and Blogger is the actually product of Google. Hence, for creating the blog on the Blogger, you need the Gmail account. If you already have the Gmail account, then don't worry. If you don't have the Gmail account, then also don't worry. I will teach you how to create the Gmail account. So open your browser and type www.gmail.com. After entering the gmail.com, this window is open in front of you. Here is the option that create account. Click on it. For myself, type your name. The username of Gmail is unique. You need to select a very unique and simple username. We select HFTCS blog, that Happy Faces the Concept School blog at gmail.com. Then create your password. Password need to be at least 8 character one capital letter, one small letter, and one numeric, one number. So create the strong password. Then he asked for the phone number. We enter phone number and click on next. After entering the phone number, one OTP is sent on your phone number that we just entered. After entering the OTP, press verify. Then he asks some detail, just fill it. Recovery email address is optional. Need to just your date of birth, gender, next. Next. This is terms and condition of Google. If you are interested, then you can read whole document. Then press I agree. Okay, now our email account is ready to use. See here, Shrikant Thakre, that is my name, and hftcsblog@gmail.com is our email ID, is now ready to use. Now, for creating your personal blog with the help of Blogger, just visit on the blogger.com. Type in URL www.blogger.com. This is the home page of Blogger. In home page, the first option is provided is create your blog. Click on create your blog. After the click on create your blog, then Google want you to sign up in your email account. The email account that we just create, that hftcsblog@gmail.com. Next, then he asks for password. Now the blogger asks you the name of your blog. This is not the domain name. He just want to title of your blog. We can type any title. We can decide any title. HF we give the title of our blog is HFTCS blog. Next, here choose a URL for your blog. Here the blogger is ask you for the domain name. Look, domain name is actually the domain name is freely provided by the blogger, but the domain name provided by the blogger is actually subdomain of Blogger website. That means your website is look like www.hftcsblog.blogspot.com. So why this blogspot.com? Actually, Blogger provide you the free domain, but the domain provided by the blogger is the subdomain. The subdomain means the domain under the domain. Okay, so if you want to remove this blogspot, then we need to buy our unique domain name from the other website. How to buy that domain, that we will discuss after some time. Okay. Now he asks for the address. Here the address of your blog should be unique. If someone is already take this address, then you can't then Blogger can't allow you to create the same blog name again. We try hftcsblog.blogspot.com. This blog address is available. Yes, means we can choose this choose this name as our URL. Then click on next. Then display name. Display name means the title of your blog. We again type HFTCS blog. HFTCS blog. Then finish. So with the help of very easy step, we can create our blog. This your blog is ready. This is the admin panel of your blog. From this admin panel, you can update your website. Then how your website looks? This is not the look of your website. This is the admin panel. How your website look? Click here. Here, look the view blog option and click on the view blog. Look, your website is look like is the heading of your blog HFTCS blog, and look at the domain name hftcsblog.blogspot.com. You can share anything on this website, but the URL is hftcs.blogspot.com. So let's try how it's work. Here are some options provided on the Blogger, that post, stats, comments, earning, page, layout, etc. There are a lot of options. We share our first post, new post. Give title to your post: information technology. You can write here your post, your article, your thoughts, your review, anything in this post. We just, for example, we just write the small post, and you can preview it or you can publish it. We publish it. Confirm. Yeah, our post is now published. You can see this post on your blog or your website hftcsblogs.com. Just refresh it. So this is our post. Anyone can read your post. The date of post: hello student, welcome to our blog from HappyFaces. That we write. Anyone can comment on your post. Is good post, nice post, etc. Okay, and publish. Now, one question is arise that if you want to change the domain name, if you don't like the this type of domain name hftcsblog.blogspot.com, this blogspot you want to remove, then you need to buy the domain name. How can you buy this domain name? It's very easy. There are so many domain name service providers companies or domain name service provider website. Some examples are GoDaddy.com or BigRock.in, GoDaddy.com. Most of time you see the advertise of GoDaddy.com. in our TV. So in this website you can search your the required domain name. Our website name is hftcsblog.com. Yes, this domain name is available, hftcsblog.com, and the price of this domain name is 199 per year you need to pay. If you don't want to buy the domain, then just leave it. You can use the subdomain of blogspot.com that is freely available for lifetime. You no need to pay the single penny for this domain. But if you want to change the domain, then go to godaddy.com and buy this domain. But my suggestion is that there is no need to buy the custom domain. With the help of this default domain, you can learn blogging, and when you expert in blogging, then only you can buy the custom domain and expand your website. So in this video we learn how to create Gmail account, what is domain name, we just discussed what is domain name, and how to domain name from GoDaddy or BigRock, or there are hostinger.com, hostgator.com, and there are various options are available for buying domain. You can buy on any from any website. Then how to create the personal blog. In this video we learn the creating of personal blog with the help of Blogger. But Blogger is not the only blogging platform. You can create your own blog with the help of WordPress also, or Weebly also, or any other blogging platform also. But my personal suggestion is that Blogger is the very safe, easy and free platform for the blogging purpose. I hope you understand our today's topic. If you have any confusion or any question, then you can ask in comment box. I will reply the every comment in comment section. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Subscribe our channel. We will meet our next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless you all. Thank you.